HESCO family, how are you? Today we are going to practice patterns, and we are going to use our hands and our bodies to make patterns, okay? We kind of did it before, and we're going to do it again, okay? And we're going to start off with an A-B pattern, and that is when it's just two different things, okay? But we got to make sure that we keep them the same, because if we break our pattern, then that's it, our pattern's over. So first we're going to start with patting our legs and clapping our hands. Pat and clap, okay? And patterns repeat, so we're going to keep doing the same thing. All right, are you ready? Okay, what did we start with? Pat, and then what? Clap. Pat, clap. Pat, clap. There you go. Keep going. Pat, clap. Pat, clap. Okay, let's do it a little bit faster. Ready? Okay, just a little bit faster. Pat, clap. Pat, clap. Pat, clap. Pat, clap. Okay, now let's do it in slow motion. Ready? Pat, clap. Pat, clap. Pat, clap. Whew, that was slow. Okay, let's see how fast you can go. Are you ready? Okay, we're gonna go really fast. Here we go. Pat, clap, pat, clap, pat, clap, pat, clap, pat, clap, 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 clap. That was fast. Did you keep up? Good work. So those are we did two things, right? We did pat, that's one, and clap, that's two. Like an A-B pattern, A and B. Okay, now we're gonna add something else to it. We're gonna pat, we're gonna clap, and we're gonna snap. Ooh, can you practice snapping? Go ahead, practice snapping. And it might, if you can't do it, that's okay, just keep trying. This is how I snap. I get these three fingers ready, okay? I have my thumb on the bottom, and then I put my middle finger on top of my thumb, and then my pointer finger on top of my middle finger. And then I push my middle finger down really fast. And that's how I snap. Now you can try it like that. If you can't do it, it is okay. We're all still learning. Okay, ready? So what did we do first? Pat, and then clap, and now snap. We're gonna add to it. So we're doing three parts. So it's an A, B, C pattern. Okay, ready? Okay, pat, clap, snap. Pat, clap, snap. There you go, keep going. Pat, clap, snap. Pat, clap, snap. Okay, let's go a little faster. Pat, clap, snap. Pat, clap, snap. Pat, clap, snap. Now what if I wanted to do pat, snap, clap? Is that our pattern? If I did pat first, then snap, then clap? No, that's not our pattern, is it? That's out of order, and that would break our pattern. So you want to make sure you're doing it the same way and repeating it over and over, okay? Let's go really fast. Remember, we're doing three things. Pat, then clap, then snap. Okay, are you ready? Okay, here we go. We're going to go really fast. Okay, here we go. Pat, clap, snap. 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 Pat, clap. Oh my goodness, you are too quick. Good work. Okay, now we're gonna do, this is gonna be tricky. Are you ready for this? Okay, show me your focus. Show me you're ready. Put your focus on. Okay, you ready for this next one? The next one we're gonna do is an A-A-B pattern, which means we do two of the same things, A, and then B is something different, okay? So we are gonna do pat, pat, wiggle, okay? So pat, pat, that's like A, and then wiggle, okay? And it's gonna be an A-A-B pattern. Okay, ready? Okay, here we go. Pat, pat, wiggle. Pat, pat, wiggle. pat, pat, wiggle. Pat, pat, wiggle. Good work. All right, let's do it a little bit faster, okay? Pat, pat, wiggle. 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 Good job. All right, now we're gonna do it, we're gonna switch it, we're gonna flip it. Instead of an A-A-B, we're gonna do an A-B-B, which means we're gonna have one thing we're gonna do first, and then we're gonna repeat the next two. And we're gonna do it with the same things, but different. So we're gonna do pat, wiggle, wiggle, okay? Because it's gonna be A-B-B. All right, you ready? Okay, so pat once this time and wiggle twice. Right, ready? Pat, wiggle, wiggle. Pat, wiggle, wiggle. Pat, wiggle, wiggle. Pat, wiggle, wiggle. All right. Okay, you want to go a little faster? Okay, let's go a little faster. Okay, here we go. Pat, wiggle, wiggle. Pat, wiggle, wiggle. Pat, wiggle, wiggle. Pat, wiggle, wiggle. Okay, even faster, as fast as you can. Are you ready? I'm gonna see if I can be as fast as you. Okay, here we go. Pat, wiggle, wiggle. 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 Oh, so many wiggles, so many pats. Good work. All right, good work today, friends. Now I want you to do another pattern all on your own, okay? And I'm gonna have your grown-ups tell me to turn in your homework what your pattern is that you made up, okay? So I'm excited to see what you guys come up with, what kind of body pattern. You could spin in your body pattern, you could clap, you could jump, you could kick. Just remember to be careful and be safe, okay? All right, good work on patterns today, friends. Remember, it has to be repeating. If it doesn't repeat, it breaks the pattern. It's not a pattern anymore. All right, I will see you guys next time. Bye. Don't forget to tell me your pattern. I'm excited to see it or hear it. Good work.